Okay, there. Okay, so let's go on to our class rules and expectations. First is respect for everyone. So, una natin gitawag ang the respect for everyone is nagyud ang pagrespeto for everybody by in terms of listening actively. When someone is speaking or when someone is speaking, no, we have to listen attentively. It's very important na walay magtabi sa kilid-kilid kung naay nag-discuss sa atubangan kay especially or na yung mga nag-present or nag-share ng mga ideas dito ng mga classmates, it's very important that we need to listen actively. Kaduha ka, use kind words. So, speak politely to teachers, classmates, and school staff. So, sometimes, no, kaya na-normalize or usahay, kaya na-normalize na siya nato or mga students to use harsh words. No, but those things are not kanang commendable. So, ang atong gidingon is for us to use kind words in any circumstances, may it be your classmates and to your teachers or to the school staff. It's very importante that we will be used the kind of words na gamiton sa mga tao nga atong ikahalubilo. Ikatulo is value differences. Respect the diverse opinions, cultures, and backgrounds in the class. So it's very important na kung unsay opinion sa imong classmates, dili na nato siya kataw-an. Kung unsay answer ng imong classmates, whether wrong or correct man na siya, dili nato sila kataw-an. We have to value the opinions of our classmates or opinions of anybody. No, especially their cultures and their backgrounds in the class. Whether you are with high, with honors, ana siya, or wala lang, estudyante lang, ano, no? So that's okay because we appreciate everyone regardless of their grades. Now, kaduha is the responsibility and accountability. Una, importante, we are responsible, especially sa usa ka estudyante, dapat prepared ta in all circumstances. Bring necessary materials, completed assignments, and a positive attitude to class. So, kung mayong gali si ma'am, okay, the submission for your project will be on next week Monday. So it's very important na prepare ta by Monday, no? So it has something to do about our character. So kung mahimo na nato siya next week kay kung mahimo na nato siya next week, pasabot na kinahanglan nato i-comply kana na mga kanang panginahanglan no nato within this week para masubmit nato unsa ang mga needed na i-submit on the said schedule. Next is follow instructions. So pay attention and follow the given directions during lessons and activities. It's very important that we need to follow instructions. So naani siya connection sa listen attentively gani. And I remember Lijo when you were in grade 7, pag may yung po na get 1/2 sheet of paper crosswise. Nga na po yung 1/2 ma'am. So it's very important na we need to follow instructions. So kung may ko ka na, okay, group yourselves into 4. May nga dyan, ma'am, pwede 5. Ayan na siya. So kinahanglan, kabalutan mo follow ng instructions coming from our teachers. Ikaduha, own your action. No, if you make a mistake, take responsibility and learn from it. The moment na wala nimo own ang imo mistakes kay it will be hard for you to learn fast. But the moment na ato i-accept diretso ang ato mistakes kay at the same time mag-grow ta ani na aspects ato kinabuhi. No, if mag-grow ta ana na aspects ato kinabuhi, dali ta maka-learn no, when you own your mistakes. Take accountability and responsibility to everything you do. Sa imong mga actions, tanan-tanan na imong mga ginahimo, you have to own your actions because right after no na of course kita mangyutan ng tao sa mali no, but at the same time kinahanglan nato mag-grow sa kana na aspect if we own up to our actions whether sakto man siya or dili no, but we take responsibility, full responsibility to every action sa ato gihimo. Mga positive learning environment, participate actively. So engage in class discussions, activities, and group work. What does it mean? It's very important that every time matukod na ako, for example, okay, kisa na ganan mo answer, nindot yun, nang daghay mo, tingog, regardless of correct na answer or wrong na answer, pwede ra kaayo ang tanan mo answer, no? So, walay wrong kung ang imo answer is dili kung sakto, but as as much as pinaka-importante diha kaning participate ta in class. No, so okay lang na siya. Next, stay on task. So we have to focus on the lesson and avoid distractions. For example, unsa man yung mga distractions, like for example, kaning ato mga cellphone. So dapat naka-focus ta sa kung unsa ang kinahanglan ma-learn nato within that hour. Kay 1 hour ba ato mga klase. And then last is help keep the classroom clean. So we have to take care of classroom resources and clean up after yourself. So kung unsa ang naa sa ato classroom, hinlo na siya, wayay kuan, wayay kimpang na mga ingkuranan, or unsa na siya. Make sure na at the end of the school year kay wala gihapon na unsa na siya, because we take care of kung unsang mga resources nga gihatag sa atong mga electric fan, ano dili siya pwede kuan-kuano na lamang. Next, last is safety and well-being. So follow classroom safety procedures. Practice proper conduct during emergency drills and classroom transitions. And then, lastly is ask for help. If you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, don't hesitate to talk to the teacher. So feel nimo kay gusto nimo masolve imong problema or naglisod ka, i-approach gyud ang mga teachers. For example, kay nganong sige makag-absent, okay, i-approach gyud ang mga teachers. No, kay makatabang na sila sa ato kung unsay atong pwede himuon ana na mga buka. So, after that, kay okay, so mo lang tong ato mga classroom rules and expectations, and I hope everyone will abide to all of those things. Now, naaba mo'y gusto ian ng mga rules within your classroom or sa ato klase. Kung may gusto i-add before mag-open sa mic kay mag-raise hand. Mag-raise hand ka. Wala. Okay, so sige na si isa man ato. Ayaw ikuan dayon. Ayaw ibaba dayon.
Ma'am.
Si Joby, yes.
No bullying that student ma'am.
Okay, no bullying. Naday mga nahitabo ani sa una namang bully?
Yes ma'am.
Oh, there's none. Pero gusto ra ni Jo i-emphasize. Okay. So, apila nato no kanang um, kanang walay magbully. So if ever kinsa man ang right na ato i-approach, pwede nidyo una i-approach si class president and at the same time si subject teacher. So pwede nidyo i-approach if ever nahitabo na siya sa ato klase. So if ever na makuan, do not hesitate to come to me and to talk to me. Ma'am, gibully ko ni ingani, giingnan ko ni jag ingani. So if dili siya sa ako class hour, sa lain siya na makuan, you can approach your subject teacher or even nindot kung inyo advice yan, inyo i-approach. Next, let's go to our icebreaker.